morning guys, from sunny side of Seoul. I left my memory card earlier when we were on the taxi and I had to go back and get it. It was such a hassle, but I'm so glad that I got it and now recording it for you guys. So today we're gonna go to D5 restaurant, and this restaurant is really famous for their very interesting pasta. Basically, they had this really cute pink pasta. I discovered it like a few days ago when I was on Instagram, so I wanted to take you guys with me. I'm out of breath. Please understand, I literally ran to my place and came back. So after we have lunch at D5, we're gonna stop by Chu in Hongdae because I need to grab some stuff because I'm going to Indonesia. But first, I'm gonna go to Japan for work and then fly straight from Japan to Indonesia. So yeah, it's gonna be a really hectic month from the start of February. So I need to get some summer outfits because I really have no summer clothing right now at home. I think I donated most of them, so I'm just gonna get like some stuff that I will wear a lot in Jakarta. And then we're gonna go to a cute cafe today. So hope you guys enjoy and let's get the day started. So this is my friend Hyunjin. She is on Instagram as well. I'll link it down below. 또 모델링하고 뭐 해?
그냥 학생.
Oh, she's also a student. So we're gonna order pink pasta, and then we're gonna have pizza, gorgonzola pizza, and then Cobb salad. They gave us welcome bread, and look at this. It's like a stick to spread on the butter. So cool. Finally, our food is here. Cobb salad, gorgonzola pizza, and yay! Pink pasta! But seriously, you guys, that pink looking ice cream is actually a cheese. Actually a cheese. 안돼! 안돼!
이거 그냥 다 넣어.
어떡해. 이거 크림치즈 아니야? 크림치즈? 대박. 오 마이 갓. 오, 대박이다. 와우. This is so cool. Oh my god. The pasta is literally turning into pink. 대박. I just put all the pasta in this cone. Oh my god, this is like seriously pasta gold. We're finally done with our lunch and now we're gonna move to cafe. Oh my god, I love this. 이거 한번 써봐. 이거 이쁘다. 이쁘다. 완전 진짜 이쁘다. 나 완전 완전 아줌마 같아. Hey, we're here at Bloom Story. 아니야, 괜찮아. 여긴가? 와! 예쁘다. 오 마이 갓. 현진아 완전 예뻐. We got really lucky, guys. So basically, they only had one table left, and as soon as we came in, the worker was like, "Oh, there's one seat left. You guys should sit right away." And like the aesthetic of this place is amazing. Amazing. This place is really specialized in strawberry, so they have a lot of strawberry drinks, strawberry dessert. Yeah, and the cafe is called Bloom Story. It's in Yeonnam-dong, and I'll link it down below. So we got blueberry scone, I got strawberry latte, and 조리퐁 latte. 와, 스콘 진짜 말랑말랑하다. The scone is so soft.
그 맛이야. 그 맛이야. 이 맛이야, 이 맛. 이거 언니
맛있지? 이거랑 같이 먹어야 돼. 현진아, 이거랑 Tastes really good. I love how really soft the scone is, and it goes really well with the cheesecake. With the cheese. I don't know what this is. 치즈잖아.
치즈다.
It goes really well with the cheese. Beautiful. Okay, we're finally done now, and I'm gonna go home. So bye, Hanjin. Hey guys, I'm back home now and I'm not feeling that great, so I'm just gonna sleep and I'll continue the vlog tomorrow. Good night. 안 아프다고 말해줘야 되는데요.
빨리 맞을게요. 따끔할게요. 안 마셨고요.
아파. 와, 진짜 아프네.
그쵸.
Okay. I just ordered delivery and it just came. I just got back from the hospital. I just got my shots. I was really not feeling well yesterday, and tomorrow I have somewhere to go to vlog, so I can't afford to get sick. And this week I'm just gonna try to rest as much as I can. But anyways, today is the next day from yesterday's vlog. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail recently. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start with this avocado soup that I got from this imported store nearby my place. And apparently you just need to put water and then it just become a soup. And I've always loved avocado, anything with avocado, so I wanted to try out their soup. And I really love Japanese instant food. I know they're kind of unhealthy, but I really like it. So I wanted to try this one out on days where I don't have time and I just need to eat something quickly or have something really light. I'm just gonna have this. A lot of you guys still ask me what's wrong with my pronunciation. I have mentioned it so many times that I got braces, inner braces, so that's why. I got this recently on the mail too. I actually got this morning, and it's a steamer from Philips. I have a lot of blouses now, so I want to make sure they don't get wrinkly, so got this. Best investment of 2018. I also got this from Yes Style. I really like it because it's corgi. And a lot of you guys tagged me on Instagram saying that I should get it, and I finally got my hands on this. So you'll be seeing this on my next vlogs. Woo! Speaking of Yes Style, I got a bunch of other stuff. I also got this Utena Premium Pureza mask. I saw this in Don Quixote when I was in Japan, and apparently it's one of their top selling facial masks. So I was really curious and I wanted to try it out. I feel like I haven't been really good like with taking care of my skin lately, and I could see it from like the fine lines that I recently got, and I was freaking out. So I really wanted to take care of my skin more. So I got this. I'll let you guys know. Probably I'll feature it in my Get Ready With Me. And then I also got A Therapy oil by Pyeonggangyul. I love A Therapy line from Pyeonggangyul in general. It feels really like spa, but they're quite affordable, so I really like it. When I met up with the CEO, he introduced me to A Therapy line, and I really love oil that he introduced me. I didn't get to get the oil back then, so I finally ordered this one. Because I really love body oils, as you guys know. I love perfume body oil or just body oil in general. So I got this. I really like the scent already. It reminds me of the Balinese like spa massage kind of body oil, so I really like that. My boyfriend, he's not into this kind of scent, but I really love it, so I'm gonna wear it on days where I feel like I really want to pamper myself. A Therapy has really good body care line. I love their body cream. My mom used up the whole entire like jar of that body cream, so I might get another one. So yeah, this is really good stuff. And then I also got A Therapy Body Mist by Pyeonggangyul. This is also by A Therapy. I love the scent of A Therapy in general, so I wanted to get their body mist because on some days if I don't want to wear any body oils or anything thick, I can always just spray it on my body and smell like a walking spa. And then the last one that I got, oh actually I got a couple of other things that I got from Yes Style, but that's gonna go on like a beauty makeup haul soon when I come back from Japan and Indonesia. But I also got the sleeping eye mask that I really love, and this one is by Meg Rhythm. Basically relaxes your eyes before you go to bed, and you can actually wear it to sleep and it's not gonna like irritate your eyes or anything. It heats up and your eyes could get a little sweaty, but I like it because Korea has been really cold. It went down all the way to -17 like last week. This has been helping me a lot with my sleep. And I also like, I think from the similar brand, they have the one that you put on your neck and it really relaxes my neck muscle, so I highly recommend. It really helps to relax my neck muscles, so it's really good for days where I edit a lot and I just want to like, you know, relax and sleep. So yeah, this and the neck one I would highly recommend if you guys work in the office a lot and your eyes get really tired at the end of the day and you just want to have a good sleep. Right here. The last item that I got is from Vala Vole. Vala Vole is one of my favorite current favorite Korean beauty brands right now. Not a lot of people know it, and I'm so happy that I discovered this brand because a lot of their products are really good. I love their liquid lipsticks. I love their lip and cheek product, which I will show you guys in a bit. And recently, Jenny from Vala Vole and also from Yanse, you guys know how much I love Yanse, right? I love their clothing item. I'll be posting more fashion related stuff real soon. I think probably next week when I'm in Indonesia or Japan. But I really love their blouses. They have a lot of modern Victorian inspired blouses that I've talked about in my modern Victorian lookbook video. But they also have really casual like jeans. I love their jeans, you guys. I personally think it's 8 times better than Chew jeans, in my opinion. I used to like Chew, but now that I've discovered Yanse, I feel like Yanse jeans are so much better and they're really good in quality and they're just really awesome. And I also bumped into the CEO and she's so nice and she's really pretty. So yeah, it was really nice to actually have a really decent conversation with her, and I told her that I was a big fan, so she was really nice. And she sent me the Vala Vole Mule Cream So apparently this is like really hydrating for your skin. It's kind of like a water lotion almost. So I'm gonna try it out. She asked me what kind of skin type I am, and I told her that I am very dry, and she was like, oh, we have one item that we're actually really proud of. We're actually very confident with this product, and she sent me the Valavole Mul Cream. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one on because I'm very dry and her skin is amazing, you guys, when I met up with her in person. So we'll try it out and let you guys know. I feel like an auntie these days. This is their All That Touch Mix, and it's the number 2 Hot and Love recipe. So it basically comes with a red color lip and cheek cream, and then it also comes with a really pretty fuchsia pink color, and I think these both are really good for the summer. If you want to have a little bit of red color on your lips, you can go for that, but if you want something really bright, you have this color as well. I really like this one from Valavole. They didn't pay me or anything. They just sent me a couple of items to try out. She told me if I like it, it's up to you if you want to put it on a video or not, but she's really nice. Jenny from Yanse, she's so nice that I just really want to support this brand. And also I really like Valavole. I genuinely like Yanse. Before I met up with her, I was a customer. I actually bought a lot of stuff from them, so they didn't pay me or anything to, you know, feature it in my video. So yeah, that was really nice. Now we're gonna eat because I'm really hungry, and I just got some food from I think it's called Indixlo. I went there with Kim and Joan last year for Vlogmas, and it was actually really good food. And Indixlo is not too far off from where I live, so I decided to order some delivery. And yeah, let's eat. So I finally got my food from Indixlo. I got their naan, and then I also got their curry. So good. Ooh. Let's eat. My boyfriend just came. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. 안녕.